The fear factor. ChatGPT's potential disruption of current assessment methods. Albert Einstein once said, "We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them." Today, we face a similar challenge in the field of education, where traditional assessment methods are failing to keep up with the changing needs of learners. Enter ChatGPT, a machine learning model that is disrupting the way we assess knowledge and skills. But with this disruption comes a fear factor, a fear that current assessment methods may become obsolete, and that the education system as we know it may need to adapt to the new reality. In this episode, I'll explore the potential of ChatGPT to change the game and discuss the implications of its disruptive power. Why are majority of educators concerned about ChatGPT's impact on education? Firstly, on homework. No fear when ChatGPT is here. Students may use ChatGPT to complete most tutorials, classroom homework, and even answer exam questions, which is a cause for concern. This is scary for educators. Are teachers and college instructors ready to face these new challenges? Assessments have shifted from traditional paper-based tests in exam halls to online assessments due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Online assessment or testing is a method of evaluating knowledge and skills using digital technology and the internet. What are the main issues and concerns associated with conducting assessments online? A. Academic dishonesty, and B. Grades inflation. Question to ponder. With online assessment, wouldn't there be issues related to academic dishonesty? Academic misconduct and cheating have increased during and after the COVID-19 crisis, especially with the shift towards online learning, as suggested by recent literature. Academic dishonesty has been identified as a contributing factor to grade inflation in academic institutions. Grade inflation is the upward shifting of grades without corresponding increases in learning or performance. What is the impact of these grade inflations? A. Reduced value of education, as grades no longer accurately reflect a student's understanding and mastery of the material. B. Decreased motivation for students to strive for academic excellence. C. Diminished credibility of academic institutions, as the inflated grades can create a false sense of achievement. The prevalence of cheating in an online environment has become a serious concern for educators and administrators alike, as it undermines the integrity of the educational system and compromises the value of academic achievement. Why is this happening? With the introduction of ChatGPT, wouldn't this exacerbate these concerns? Should we continue using traditional paper and pencil testing method given the prevalence of academic dishonesty facilitated by online platforms until a more reliable assessment method is developed to face ChatGPT? Amid widespread academic dishonesty during online assessments, many institutions worldwide have reverted to traditional paper and pencil testing as a more reliable option during the post-pandemic period. Example 1. The University of London continues to administer written examinations using the traditional paper and pencil testing method. 2. The College Board in the United States administered the Advanced Placement Program (AP) exams in December 2022 using the original hard copy format after 2 years of digital testing. 3. The Professional Regulation Commission (PRC) in the Philippines announced that the Future Aeronautical Engineers Licensure Examination (AELE) will be conducted via the traditional paper and pencil testing method, as reported by Manila Bulletin on December 9, 2022. 4. Australian universities to return to pen and paper exams after students caught using AI to write essays, reported by Australian Guardian News, the 23rd of January, 2023. The emergence of ChatGPT and other AI tools has further brought forth a critical question. Should the traditional paper and pencil testing method continue to be the primary mode of assessment until new and reliable assessment methodologies are established? In my next video, I will address the following questions. What unique opportunity does ChatGPT present for teaching and learning, especially in the context of assessment? How can ChatGPT contribute to the development of assessment methods in the future? What do educators need to do to understand ChatGPT's capabilities and limitations and integrate it into their teaching methods and assessment? Stay tuned for a deeper exploration of these topics. Please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the like button to show your support. Thank you.